So, you just got the Beard Hedger Plus from Manscaped and you want to take it for a spin. But before you get to trimming that handsome face of yours, let's go over the basics. The Beard Hedger Plus comes with a USB-C power cable and 2 comb attachments, one that adjusts from 1 to 10 millimeters and one that adjusts from 11 to 20 millimeters. The first time you use your Beard Hedger Plus, you want to make sure you fully charge it before getting started. The tri-level battery indicator flashes while charging. When the trimmer is on, the LED shows the battery level in 33% increments. Charging is complete when all 3 LEDs stay lit solid. Once that bad boy is juiced up, press the power button to power it on, and once more to power it off. To adjust the trimming comb length, press down on the button, then move the slider up and down to choose from 14 length settings, ranging from 1 millimeter to 20 millimeters. To remove the trimming comb, make sure the trimmer is powered off, then hold the comb by its sides and gently pull it straight out. The trimming comb can be removed at any length setting. To reinstall the trimming comb, gently press it into the slot clips first until it clicks. Alright, it's go time. For a comfortable trim, place the flat side of the trimming head against your skin. To clean the device, first remove the comb. Then, remove the blade by pressing against the top of the blade and pushing forward until the blade pops out of the trimmer. Rinse all the parts under the faucet and let them air dry. Once completely dry, grab the blade and align it into the device. Press in until the blade snaps into place. Then reattach the comb. For more beard grooming goodness, check out the Beard Hedger Plus to craft and maintain the perfect beard.